In this video, let's discuss this week projection for Euro USD all the way from here. Where is the market going to go? And also USDJPY. Market is about to have a little retracement on the one-day chart and also on USDCAD as demanded by one of our subscribers. I'm going to do this analysis in line with this other two. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Let me start with USDJPY. So on USDJPY here, we see that the market begin to move upward as predicted, and as a result of the NFP last week Friday, market moved all the way upward, and right now market is going to come back down. But one thing is very important here is markets have not grabbed liquidity from this very level. So we see that the market approached the level, but liquidity was not taken off the market from this very area. What that means is, despite that, there's still a resistance at this very point that is resisting the market from moving upward from here. And what that means is, I am looking at a considerable retracement for the market to come back down a little bit, then market is going to go upward, okay, for another impulsive move. Because if you look at it, market break this very structure right here, market move all the way upward and then retracement back down, and the market is going to move upward again after this retracement, and this is an impulsive move. Retracement, next impulsive move. So what we need to do right now is to wait for the market to retrace, then continuation all the way to the upside, and that is what I am looking at. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market right now is still at overbought condition at this very point, and without doubt market is going to come back down very soon, okay, maybe before we end this week of trading. And what that means is, once we see a crossover, the market is going to begin to move downward, especially when it crosses the 8% line at this very point. And this is what I am personally expecting right now. So pay attention for market coming back down and then moving all the way to the upside on USDJPY. On Euro USD, expect the market to retrace, okay. After this impulsive move, market have to retrace before continuation again on the one-day chart. So market have to retrace from this point upward right now. After market move down, break this structure, market retracement is needed, and then continuation afterward. So on Euro USD one-day chart, also pay attention to a retracement to the downside on Euro USD. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, market is already at oversold already, which means market is going to move up, but that possibility is not going to be very fast because there is no crossover yet between the orange line and the blue line, and moreover the market is still below the 20% line on the stochastic RSI indicator. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. And if you take a deep look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour charts have a different scenario right here. This scenario is very important because if you are trading on the 4-hour chart, you need to be looking at this. I talk about market retracing, and that is what is in play, but this retracement is not strong, okay. Look at it here. Market move from there, come back all the way to the downside, and then from this very point market is trying to retrace. What this means is, in as much as there is no strength in the market moving upward from the bulls, market have capacity of moving down again, okay. So that is what you should be expecting on the 4-hour chart. There is a high capacity for the market to come back down after a little retracement. Possibly market is going to pause around this very area before that retracement is going to stop, then market is going to continue with this impulsive move all the way to the downside. So impulsive move, retracement, and then continuation all the way to the downside. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you see that the market is already at overbought right now, but it has not crossed over, which means market still have potential of moving upward from where it is right now, approaching this very level of important resistance. Then once the market approach resistance, then we're going to see the market begin to come back all the way to the downside on the 4-hour chart Euro USD. This is very important. So when you are trading, if you look at the 1-day chart, which is also what I have talked about in this very analysis, they discover that the market have not given us a sign on this indicator. If you look at the 4-hour chart, market is at overbought condition already on the 4-hour chart. What this means is market is going to cool down in favor of the 1-day chart to fulfill that very movement before market will be in alignment, as at that time this market should come all the way to the downside on the stochastic RSI, giving us a buy opportunity from this very point in line with the 1-day chart for the market to move upward, because the 1-day chart is already at oversold condition already. So we have to wait for the market to come back down on the 4-hour chart into the oversold condition. With that alignment, we'll be very sure the market is going to have a significant retracement on the 1-day chart before any movement downward. And this is what I am going to be looking at in this very week of trading. And lastly, USDCAD, which is also very important. If you look at it, liquidity have been taken off the market. Very importantly, if you look at the way market move from here upward, liquidity have been taken off the market. And not only that, when the market came back down, there is a liquidity grab as well from this very point. So we have liquidity grab from this very area right here, okay, and then after liquidity grab from this very point, market begin to move upward. Right now there is a little liquidity grab from this very area, because if you look at it, this very movement is a little bit higher compared to this very area on the chart. What that means is market have capacity of retracing, and I'm looking at that retracement to happen between this very price level of 1.3681 and where the market is right now. So within this very zone, expect retracement to come into the market, and that is very, very important. What that means is if you are in a buy position all the way from here upward, it is time for you to look at closing your position, because the market will soon retrace after few confirmation on the chart. And the number one confirmation we have to pay attention to is the stochastic RSI indicator. A crossover between the orange line and the blue line is an indication that the market is going to come back down. Not only that, it have to cross below the 80% line on the stochastic RSI indicator. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. On the 1-day chart, market is going to retrace significantly before continuation. Market is still going to move upward, but retracement is needed right now on this very chart. Looking at the 4-hour chart, market move all the way from this very point. This is support, up, retrace, come all the way upward to resistance level, liquidity grab from this very point. You see this very area go up a little bit from this very point right at this point. So liquidity is taken off the market. So liquidity is taken off the market from this very point. What that means is we need to wait for liquidity satisfaction. So if liquidity is satisfied, then we're going to have good retracement, which is what I am personally expecting. So if you trade USDCAD 4-hour chart, what you should be expecting right now is retracement. Why? Because the market have moved all the way from this very point upward, and we have retracement, and then the next move, which is an impulsive move, is already in play and is coming to an end right now, which means retracement is needed before continuation all the way to the upside. And that is what I am personally expecting. So on the 4-hour chart USDCAD, expect retracement to come in right now. Now, to further prove that this retracement is going to come in very, very soon or almost immediately, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market has been on this overbought condition for a long time. What that means is there is a high possibility right now, after liquidity grab from the market at this very point, that the market is going to have a good retracement before continuation, and that means that this thing is going to come back down, approaching the oversold condition. Conclusively, on USDCAD, wait for retracement before taking another buy opportunity. And if you were in a buy opportunity from this very point of support, all the way to this very point of resistance, you need to consider exiting your position, because market is going to come back down before the next continuation. And if you are looking for buy position, you need to wait for market to come back down for retracement before continuation. And I'm going to update you on this very channel the right time to possibly enter a buy position, because market is going to move upward, especially after this retracement that's going to come in very soon. So this is what you need to expect on USD CAD, USDJPY, and EURUSD right now. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. And if you've not joined the forex telegram channel, I will leave a link in the description. Check it out and join right now for more updates. Thanks for watching.